Nice day here today. It was kind of day you wish you could just spend outside.
Yeah, you really don't have to say much more except nice. It is just such a pleasant Friday. Fabulous, fantastic Friday.
Absolutely. And you guys were commenting about your hair.
Oh,
so
the
much
humidity, it makes such a difference, that low humidity.
Apparently it does. I know my hair is also fuller too.
It is. It's not as frizzy today, George.
Looks great, George.
Yeah, we have had some very pleasant days, temperatures warm, comfortable humidities. We're going to hang on to most of that through the weekend, continuing to warm up. That's why the 13 weather ball is red, even a warmer weekend ahead. And around the region, it is beautiful. Had a little bit of haze early today that is thinning out, but mainly blue skies, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds. And at the beaches, looking great, flat waves, and that will remain so all weekend long. So no worries there. There's the Grand Haven beach cam. Winds virtually calm, occasionally gusting to 11, but 77 degrees. A little bit of that haze. Water temperatures, though, did take a nosedive as that cold front went through earlier this week. They dropped into the 50s. They should start recovering, though, as the winds turn around more to the south. Few fair weather cumulus clouds out there all the way around. Nice day. High pressure right overhead just to our east. The winds are turning around to the south. Our next weather maker will be this warm front as it approaches later on early part of next week. We'll see some scattered showers and storms with that. But right now we're at 78 here in Grand Rapids. There are some 80s, 90s, and even 103 out at Pierre in South Dakota. Dew points are starting to climb all the way into the 70s, all the way up to International Falls, and some of this higher dew point weather is going to be making into West Michigan. But between now and the end of the weekend, lots of sunshine, southerly winds kicking in on Saturday, light and variable. We'll see clear skies here Saturday night, and on Sunday we'll see some filtered sunshine, and we may catch a shower before the day is over, but the bulk of the showers and storms will come early next week. As far as the European model showing, mostly late Sunday night, Monday and Tuesday. A little concerned about next weekend's model run. It says we'll see some showers Friday night into Saturday, may linger into Sunday, but of course that is still about 9-10 days away. We'll see if that holds the rest of this next week. Dew points, though, that has been very solid. Look at this, up into the 70s from time to time, including next weekend. That's very humid. Long range outlook from August 1 through 5. Hanging on to higher chances for warmer temperatures here across much of the country, and we have an equal chance of higher or lower amounts of rainfall. Right on the edge, though. We'll see if that works out. As far as our forecast for tonight, lots of clear skies, upper 50s north and south, as warm as 62 there in Grand Haven and in Muskegon. Upper 50s to the north, comfortable night, light south wind. You can have those windows open once again as you sleep. And upper 50s here in the greater Grand Rapids area, maybe as cool as 56 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Mostly inland areas will have that chance of a shower or a thunderstorm both Monday and Tuesday. Those are not all-day rains. Very little rainfall amounts with those, but very humid on Tuesday and again next Friday. End of next week, we have more sunshine, very warm temperatures, high humidity, and that chance of an overnight storm a Friday night. And we'll see whether or not that lasts into the end of the Coast Guard Festival weekend. We'll keep you updated.
Yeah, we're not going to think about next weekend.
No, just looking right now at this weekend.
Right now.
Looks great. Thanks, George.
Last 2 or 3 days, it's just been great being outdoors because the humidity has been low, temperatures have been warming up, and we'll continue that trend through the weekend. 13 weather ball is red, even warmer weather ahead. And it's been beautiful to walk the dog. This is a look at Zoe. Jennifer, going to give you the green paw for Zoe this evening as we only fall down into the mid-70s by 10 o'clock under clear skies, and a green paw in the morning with comfortable temperatures in the low and mid-60s. Even more sunshine tomorrow than we saw today, so creating green energy from the sun alone, 8.5 out of a 10-point scale. Not as much a wind lately because high pressure has been overhead, and that will continue here during the day tomorrow. High pressure has cleared out all of our humidity and most of our clouds now, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds off to the south of Grand Rapids. That high is actually now out over Lake Huron at the present time, and got a warm front that's going to be approaching later on this weekend. So our humidity levels are going to start to go up. We'll have a slight chance of some showers coming in early next week. Hour by hour, here are the clear skies overnight. The wind's turning around more to the south, so that's going to bring some of that warmer lake water to the beaches finally over the weekend. It'll take a while. It's in the 50s right now. This is all day Saturday. Sunshine, blue skies. Some high-level clouds coming in at the end of the day on Sunday. Models trying to pop up a small shower here in West Michigan, but we'll hold off most of our activity for Monday and Tuesday of this next week. You can see even if it does rain over the southwestern counties, maybe just enough to wet the ground. As far as our high temperatures, we're going to be in the mid-80s tomorrow. Very warm day, but low humidity once again. Upper 80s here on Sunday, despite the high clouds. You can still get a sunburn, though, on Sunday. And mid-80s on Monday, high humidity levels. The reason why it's a little bit cooler is because we have that chance of some showers and storms away from the lakeshore. 8 to 14 day outlook. This is from August 3rd through August 9th. Most, if not all of the country will see warmer than average temperatures. Our average high here in Grand Rapids is 82, so we're going to be well up into the 80s. And the storm track will have higher chances for rain to the south and east of us. We have an equal chance of more or less here in West Michigan. And that's for that 7-day period. Forecast, though, for tonight, another night where you can have those windows open. Upper 50s north and south along the lake shore to as warm as 62 in Muskegon and in Grand Haven. Upper 50s to the north, clear skies, light south wind this evening. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, a very nice night. Temperatures between 56 there in Kalamazoo to 59 in GR. 13 on your side forecast. Next week, we're starting to wrap up the month of July already. Can you believe that? A couple of chances for showers and storms. That will be next to Monday and Tuesday. It'll be dry Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly all day Friday as well. Looks like there's a chance of an overnight storm Friday night, and it may linger into the following Saturday. But that's still about 8 or 9 days away, and we'll refine that forecast as we get a little bit closer to that next weekend.
Hey, looks good.
It's all about this weekend, though.
Yes, it is. All
We're
about
just
this
focusing
weekend.
on that. We'll worry about next week when we get there.
Thank you, George. George, we have been anticipating this beautiful weather since you told us about it last week, and it's here, and it is just great.
I'm loving this kind of weather. Wish we could have this all year round. Oh, maybe not.
Okay,
but,
rain overnight and then like this.
Yeah, that'd be great for the plants, your peppers as well.
Yes.
They're going to love that next week.
Yeah.
Wow, is it going to get humid and hot
They like the
next
heat
week.
and humidity, unlike me.
Absolutely. We do have some nice weather, though, for the rest of the weekend. 13 weather ball is rad. Even warmer weather ahead for Saturday and Sunday. It was warmer today, reaching 80 here in Grand Rapids, low 80s along the lakeshore, including in Grand Haven. Our average high is 83. We matched last year's temperature and came within a couple of degrees our forecast high. That's right within our target, and we've done that 10 days in a row, hoping to extend that streak over the weekend. Clear skies across West Michigan, just a touch of haze in the air. High pressure is located right about there, so that's kept all of this area clear and dry. But as that continues to push to the east, our southerly winds will eventually draw up some warmer and eventually more humid weather, along with a small chance of a shower later on this weekend. But clear skies overnight. During the day tomorrow, and look at that, hardly a cloud in the sky, light and variable winds throughout most of the day. Doesn't get any better than that. Saturday night should be clear and dry as well. On Sunday, we'll start to see some high clouds come in. You notice the model's trying to bring in a scattered shower here and there. Most likely, we will stay dry until Monday and Tuesday, when there'll be some scattered showers popping up away from the lakeshore in most cases. Our Euro model is showing just trace amounts both Monday and Tuesday. That Sunday night is after midnight, and then we'll see perhaps more rain toward the end of next weekend. And we're looking at very high dew points climbing into the 70s starting on Tuesday through the following weekend. Looking farther ahead, this is, well, I didn't want to jump over that. Let's see if we can stop that for a second. High chances that will stay warmer than average during that week-long period from the 10th through the 23rd, and we have an equal chance for more or less precipitation. So the watchword here for the middle part of August is continued on the warmer side with flip of a coin for more or less rainfall. This is the time of year where the southeastern part of the U.S. has the higher chances due to perhaps the threat of some tropical weather, but not here in West Michigan. A forecast for tomorrow. You're going to love this. Plenty of blue skies, nice sunshine. South winds will start picking up in the afternoon. Hopefully that will push some of that warmer lake water closer to the beaches after cooling off the last couple of days. Low and even mid 80s, including 86 in Holland, probably around 84, 85 in the Grand Haven area. Mid-80s north, plenty of sunshine. If you're going to be out and about, make sure you wear that sunscreen and sun protection. South wind there. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, looking at highs around 84 to 85, maybe as cool as 83 down in the Kalamazoo region. 13 on your side forecast. There we go, all the way to 88 on Sunday. And there's those chances of showers and storms. Not everyone will see rain. Not everyone will see it all day. In fact, most areas they will not. These are just pop-up summertime showers and storms. And then we'll continue with the humid and very humid weather the rest of the week into the first several days of August. By the end of next week, there could be some Friday night storms that may linger into Saturday and or Sunday.